students, now I am going to start question number 1 of exercise 12.2. Now question number 1 says express the following numbers in standard form. We express very small or very large numbers in standard form, and very small numbers can be expressed in standard form using negative exponent. Now see, here we have two types of number. In one of the numbers, in some of the number we have the decimal, and after decimal many digits are there, okay, and in some of the numbers you will get no decimal, okay. Now if after point so many zeros are there, that means this number is very small, and here we can see that here is no decimal. After 602 only zeros are there, so this is very large number. So decimal is, if there is no decimal present in the number, that means decimal is present at the end. Now in the first part, decimal is there, okay. To express any number in standard form, we always keep the decimal in such a way that before decimal will be one digit. See, before decimal will be only one digit. Now we have to check, decimal is shifted, decimal is moved to how many places to the right? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Decimal is shifted 12 places to the right, okay. Now suppose if you have any number, say 12.53, and if you want to remove the number, what will you get in the denominator? If you remove the decimal, it will become 1253, and since after decimal 2 digit, then which one will have 20, okay. Similarly here, since decimal is shifted 12 places to the right, so with 1 will be 12 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So we will write 12 zeros with 1 in the denominator. Now we will write this number in power notation. Since we have 12 zeros, so it will be 10 to the power 12. Okay. Now we will take this to the numerator. So power will become negative. So it will be 8.5 into 10 to the power minus 12. Okay. So this number is expressed in standard form. So this number, if you write this number in standard form, then it will become 8.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 12. According to the law, if we have the negative exponent, then we just write the inverse of this. So a will be 1 by a and power will be positive. Similarly, if we have negative exponent, suppose 1 by a raised to the power minus n, to make it positive, we will just write the reciprocal of this. So 1 by a will be a and the power will be positive. Okay, so 10 to the power 12 is shifted to the numerator and exponent has become negative now. Okay, now in the next part we have 0.0000000000942. According to the rule, we'll keep the decimal after in such a way that before decimal will be only one digit. So here this point is shifted here, so it will become 9.42. See here below, before decimal only one digit is there. Okay. Now we will check decimal is moved to how many places to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 places. So with 1 will be 12 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we will write this in power notation. So it will be 10 raised to the power 12. Now we will take this 10 to the power 12 to the numerator. So power will become negative. So 9.42 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 12. Okay. Now coming to third part. In the third part we have no decimal present, right? So if there is no decimal, that means decimal is at the end. Now first step is we will have to put the decimal in such a way that before decimal only will be one digit. So it will be 6.02. So before decimal only one digit. will be present. Okay, now we'll check how many places decimal is shifted to the left. One decimal was here, now decimal is shifted to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So decimal is shifted 15 places to the left. So that means with 1 we will have 15 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now we will write this in power notation. So it will be 6.02 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 15. Okay. Now in the fourth part we have 0.00000000837. Again we will put the decimal in such a way that before decimal only will be one digit, which is 8 here, so it will become 8.37. Now we will check that after how many places. We'll check decimal is shifted after how many places. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9 places to the right. Okay, so with 1 will be 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now in the next step we will write this in power notation. So it will be 8.37 divided by, as there is 9 zeros, so power will be 10 to the power 9. Now we will take this to the numerator. So 8.37 multiplied by, when you take 10 to the power 9 to the numerator, exponent will become negative. So it will be 10 raised to the power minus 9. So it will be 8.37 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 9. Okay. Now in the fifth part we have 3186000000. So as you know that we will keep the decimal after one digit. So 3.186. Now in the fifth part we have 3186000000. So here at first we will put the decimal and wait to put the decimal after one digit, right? So in 3 it will be 3.186. So we have kept the decimal in such a way that before decimal will be only one digit. Now here if there is no decimal present in that number, then decimal is at the end. Now we will check that decimal is shifted after how many places. Okay, so decimal is shifted here. So we'll have to count the number of places now. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it will be 10 zeros with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you will multiply this, you will get this number. Okay, now we will write this in power notation. So it's 3.186 into 10 raised to the power 10. Okay, so this was all about question number 1. Now coming to question number 2. Now question number 2 says express the following number in usual form. Here in the first part we have 3.02 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 6. So at first we will make the exponent positive, and according to the law, when we have the negative exponent, to make it positive we will just write this in the reciprocal form. So a will be 1 by a and power will be positive, and when we have the negative exponent and this is there in the denominator, so it will come to the numerator to make it positive. Okay, now here we have the negative exponent. So what we are going to do to make it positive, we will take this number in the denominator, and if this was present in the denominator, then we would have taken the number to the numerator. That means 10 to the power minus 6. This is there in the numerator, and to make the exponent positive we will just write this in the denominator. Okay, simply you remember this is there in the numerator, so to make it positive we will write this in the denominator and the power will be positive. Okay, and in the numerator we have 3.02. okay, now 10 to the power 6 means we have 6 zeros with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we will shift the decimal. According to the zeros, we will have to shift the decimal. Now always remember, if zeros are there in the denominator, decimal is to be shifted to the left. Okay, because when we divide something, numbers get smaller. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so here we have already 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Decimal will be shifted here. Okay, and 0 never sit alone, so it will be 0.000003, and here we have 02, so it will become 0.00000302. Okay, now in the next part we have 4.5 into 10 to the power 4. Here exponent is positive, so 4.5 multiplied by 10 to the power 4 means 4 zeros with 1. Okay, so when you multiply something, numbers get bigger. Now 4.5 will be multiplied by 10,000. Now we have 4 zeros, so we'll put 4 zeros. Now we will ignore the decimal, so it will become 45. 45 multiplied by 1 is 45. Okay, now we will put the decimal. Now where to put the decimal? See, decimal is after one place, so we always count from the right. Okay, so here we will leave one digit and then we will put the decimal. So it will become 45000, because after point 0 is there, so it has no value, so we can write 45,000. Okay, because 45000.0 means 445,000. Okay, now in the third part we have 3 raised to the power minus 8. So at first we need to make the exponent positive, so 3 will remain same in the numerator. We'll just take this number to the denominator to make the exponent positive, so it will become 10 raised to the power 8. Now 10 raised to the power 8 means we will write 8 zeros, because when you multiply 8 times 10, you will get 10 to the power 8. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will according to the number of zeros, we will have to put the decimal. So decimal will be shifted to the left because we are dividing here, so number gets smaller. So one digit is already there, which is 3. Then we have 8 zeros, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Decimal will be here. So it will become 0.00000003. Okay. Now next, the fourth part we have 1.0001 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 9. So here we are multiplying, so number gets bigger. So 1.0001 will be multiplied by 10 to the power 9 means we will have 9 0. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now we will multiply this. Here 1, if you ignore the decimal, it will become 10001. Okay, 0, 3 zeros and 1, and we have total 9 zeros here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we will put the decimal. Decimal is after 4 digit. So from the right, okay, since we are going towards left, we'll just keep 4 digit. As there is 4 places, so we'll keep 4 digit and then we will put the decimal. Okay, so here the number will become 10001. Then we have 5 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now since after decimal only zeros are present, so we can skip this part, so the number will become this. Okay, now in the fifth part we have 5.8 into 10 raised to the power 12. So 5.8 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 12 means we will put 12 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now so here we will have to multiply this with this. We will ignore point here, so if you ignore point, so it will become 58. So 58 multiplied by 1 is 58, and then we have 12 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now at last we will put the decimal. So decimal is after one digit, so this way we will have to keep one digit to the right of decimal. So here will be the decimal. So the number is this. So 58. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now in the last part we have 3.61492 multiplied by 10 to the power 6, means we will have to put 6 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so here 6 zeros. Now here we will just ignore the point. So if you multiply this with 1, we'll have 361,498, and then we have 6 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now at last we will have to put the decimal, and decimal is after 5 digit. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 after 5 digits. So from this side we are coming, we are going towards left, so we will have to keep 5 digit after decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, decimal will be here. So the number will become 3614980. Okay, after point only zeros are present, so we can skip that part. So number will be this. Okay, so this way we will have to write the number in usual form. Okay, so this was all about question number 2. Thank you, students.